Hello everyone, welcome to today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. It almost pains me to do this one, guys. This is Duolingo. I'm actually taking Duolingo. I'm learning Spanish through the way they teach it, and I think it's awesome. It's a lot of fun, way to learn, etc. But you know what? Money's money. So this is what happened. So Duolingo, actually a few weeks ago, Google came out and said, you know what, we're going to create our own language learning module. And Duolingo had a couple of really bad days, but then it completely recovered. And then a few days ago had earnings. And look at the earnings reaction. And the second day, the third day, even yesterday, okay? And these were all-time highs up here. But I said, eventually, if this thing, takes out the low here of yesterday, which was 212, which was right around here, I wanted to really take a look at shorting this. And now it took about almost 2 hours. It was hanging around this 210 mark. I kept waiting for it to break down through 210. It finally did. And so I ended up shorting this around 208. 208.50, I think, and then it's just been relatively serenely moving down. Maybe this is a pop here. The down here, 202.40 is the next low looking left. I'm not suggesting it's going to get there, but anyway. But you know what? If there may be a time where we're going to have to go long this again, because if the 200 mark holds, this could be a beautiful another long trade. So that's Duolingo, guys, and I do recommend. There's a nice free version you can take. I don't work for Duolingo or anything, but I think it's a great way. I'm learning Spanish, and I think it's a great way to learn a language. Okay, guys, want to get back in the room. Have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow.